Hi students. So in the previous session we have seen the meaning of the ecosystem and the components of the ecosystem. So there are so many types of things are there which is going to complete the meaning of the ecosystem. So that is the ecosystem is the unit, or it is a system in which we can see the interaction between the living and the non-living things. So this interaction between the living and non-living things leads to a great meaning of the togetherness, or the interaction between the living and non-living things, and also the interaction between the living and the living things. So here I'm hope you got the point that about what material, or about what the concept, or about the which concept I am going to explain you now. So yes, definitely I am going to give you the meaning of the food chain. So here first of all we should know the meaning of food. So food is nothing but the anything that we eat to be alive. The thing or the material that we eat to be alive. So it contains the energy. So food can be transferred from one organism to the other organism by the food chain. So the food can be transferred from one organism to the other organism through the food chain. So here always the starting point of the food chain is the category of the organisms called the producers. So always in any food chain we can see the starting point of the food chain is the producers. So producers means already we know that nothing but the green plants. So green plants are the producers because they only prepare their own food by using the inorganic substances. So here we can say that all the food chains begins with a green plant, which is the original source of the food. Either it may be grass or it may be any other green plant, because they only can prepare the food. Let us take an example to clarify the meaning of the food chain here. So here suppose there is a green field having lot of the green plants. Now plants are going to be eaten by the grasshopper or by the insect. So on insect the frog is dependent. So here on the grasshopper the frog is dependent, or the grasshopper is eaten by the frog. So again, so you can add here the one more organism, that is the snake. So on frog the snake will be dependent, or on frog directly the eagle will be dependent. Okay. So suppose if we add here the one more organism, that is snake, so this frog will be eaten by the snake. Okay. And that snake will be eaten by the eagle or the bird, that is the carnivore. So like this only, so the energy which is necessary for this eagle, that is initially transferred, the energy which is present in the green plants, which is going to be transferred by many sources. So first by the insect, by the frog, by the snake, and again it will reaches the eagle. So like this, the transfer of the energy from one organism to another organism, or we can define this food chain as this is the sequence of living organisms. This is the sequence of living organisms in a community. In a community in which one organism consumes. So here one organism consumes the other organism to transfer the energy or to transfer the food. Hope it is clear here. So this is the sequence of living organisms in a community in which one organism consumes the other organisms to transfer the food or to transfer the energy. So that is called the food chain. So here it is only the one example. We can take the one more example in which directly the grass is going to be eaten by the deer, and deer is directly eaten by the lion or the tiger. So that is also a small food chain. So here we can add many organisms to this food chain. So in which the one organism depends on the other organism to survive, to get the food, to get the energy. So like this, grass, insect, frog, snake, bird. Okay, so again we can see the bird when it dies, or it will be eaten by the other carnivore organism also. Okay, so this is the actual meaning of the food chain. So try to get more and more food chains in which you can get the other examples or other examples of the organisms. Okay, so in the next session regarding this one, we will discuss about the food web. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.